Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing how to make chana dal. It's a very simple recipe, so let's have a quick look at the ingredients. So here I've taken one medium size finely chopped onion, one medium sized tomato finely chopped, coriander 2 tablespoons. I've taken 10 to 15 garlic which I have crushed it. Then I have taken half cup chana dal which I have soaked in water for around 10 minutes. Salt as per taste. I'm taking 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I've taken 1 red chili and 1 teaspoon of jeera for tadka. I've taken 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. I've taken in dry masalas 1 bay leaf, inch of cinnamon, 2 cloves and elaichi, 1 elaichi. I've taken 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So let's get started. So now I have added chana dal to the pressure cooker. Now to this I'll be adding this is a medium sized glass, you can see. I'm adding in 2 glasses of water. This 2 glasses of water is equivalent to 2 cups of water. Now we have to make sure that it gets 3 whistles and we have to cook it at a very low flame. So now we have kept the chana dal for cooking, and after 3 whistles we have to let it cool down by itself and then we have to open the pressure cooker. Now we take a pan and to this we add in 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. We have kept the flame at medium. Now we have heated the oil. Make sure that the mustard oil is properly heated. Now to this heated oil we will be adding our dry masalas. Saute it for few minutes. Now to this we will be adding in the chopped onion. Now our onions have turned light golden brown. Now to this we will be adding in the garlic. Mix it for a few seconds. Now to this we will be adding in our tomatoes. And now we have to cook this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this we will be adding in our masalas. So I am adding all the dry masalas. I have added garam masala. I am adding coriander powder. I am adding turmeric powder. And I am adding the red chili powder. Now we have to cook this for 2 to 3 minutes and then we will be adding water and we will cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes. Now 2 to 3 minutes are over. Now to this we will be adding salt as per taste. And now to this I will be adding 1/4 cup water. And now we have to cover the lid and we have to cook it for around 7 to 8 minutes. Now 7 minutes are over and you can see that our masalas are now cooked properly and it is leaving oil. So now to this we will be adding our chana dal that we had pressure cooked. We have added in our chana dal. You can see how delicious it looks. You can see the color. It really looks yummy and tasty. Now cook this for another 4 minutes. See that our chana dal is ready. And now to this we'll be adding in the coriander leaves. You can see the color, how delicious and yummy it looks. Our chana dal is ready. Now we just have to give it tadka. So let's keep this aside and let's prepare the tadka. Now for the tadka, we increase the flame, and now to this we add in the ghee. We add in the ghee. Now let it get heated a bit. Now to this we add in the jeera and the red chili. Now our tadka is ready. We just have to add it to the dal. Now we will be adding our tadka to this. And our chana dal is ready. It looks really yummy and delicious. You can see. Don't forget to give it a try. And it's ready to be served. And thank you guys for watching my channel if you liked it. And don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.